This mullet is just getting vicious, eh? I'm gonna try to keep this short. We're getting close to around 1 o'clock. I'm eating my breakfast, my morning cereals, because I stayed up last night listening to metal. I'm working on this giant spreadsheet. Thanks to Our Last Crusade, who put up a bunch of bands, and then those bands, like 2 Liter Super Punk, they started posting with other bands. That's rock on. That's local support. That's local bands supporting local bands. Obviously, there's more posting today. There's more that posted last night. I'm going to listen to you too. We're adding you to the list. I want to make sure that I know where everyone is, what everyone's doing. I'm no Rick Rubin. I'm just some asshole with a phone, and I photograph shit. We're going to keep this going, but comment on this post too. Let me know any local bands, local Calgary, Edmonton, Alberta bands. Get on the fucking wagon, man. We're going. Because this is such a fresh project. It's like, oh, it's there, it's my brain. And anyone that comes through Calgary, anyone that comes through is local to me, right? Like if I can photograph them as a photographer, that's what I care about. So like tomorrow, Hailstorm's local. I'm not going to that. I tried my ass off, but it's sold out. I couldn't get a photo pass without a media partner, and I don't have a media partner yet. If you are an Alberta-based or Canadian-based media outlet, get in my DMs, let's work together. I'm gonna finish this cereal, and then, I'm out.